Oh, God, look what the cat dragged in. Yep, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating my signature full Delco system conversion. And this is where I convert the radio. And instead of just tapping into the line level signal at the 8-Track, which lets a lot of motor and noise through, I actually replace the motor and speed control board, and I install a new tape head preamp so that the 8-Track sounds brighter than it ever did. So basic rundown, this comes from Chris in, where is Chris? Chris lives in, looks like Bowie, Maryland. Don't get too many jobs from Maryland. Thank you very much, Chris, for your business from Maryland. And this is out of a 1968 Chevy Camaro. So let's go ahead and turn everything on and make sure everything works. I've got this set to FM at the moment. I've got all the station presets set to stations in my area for a quick demonstration, so I don't have to stay on one station too long and risk getting nailed for copyright. So let's turn her on. Set to FM. Just go down the dial, presets.
This weekend, but if you didn't spend hundreds of millions.
Okay, now we'll flip to AM, and I get one strong station about the center of the dial.
Librarians are happy to help locate tax forms every year.
Okay, there's a strong AM station. And we'll go ahead and leave it on here since it's talk radio, and we can leave this on a while. I'm going to demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions. Okay, front rear fader. We give our tone control 2 turns to the right to activate that. Let's try that.
Visit the website to learn more. Press fader adjust.
Okay, fader adjust. So now the same control is adjusting our front rear speaker balance. All the way rear, all the way front.
Small business makeover program.
Rear.
See the business
Okay, I'm going to set. I'm going to stop adjusting.
Fader set.
Fader set. Okay, now let's demonstrate the left-right balance control. Same procedure, except we turn the tone control twice to the left to activate that. So let's try that.
Find more information and a full schedule. Balance adjust.
Okay, balance adjust. So now we use our same control to adjust our left-right balance. Pretty cool, huh?
Contact the Ask a Librarian desk.
Okay, I'll let that time out.
Balance set.
Okay, now we're going to check the 8-Track. We don't need these meters anymore. Got some Neil Sedaka. Let's plug him in. Switch tracks a bunch of times. Nice, bright sounding 8-Track. And you are hearing the sound of my 8-Track preamp, not the factory's. Okay, pull the tape out, radio should come right back. And there's our radio back. Now you might notice the 8-Track is quite a bit louder than the radio. That's to overcome noise that could occur because the radio and 8-Track are separated. The cable links between the two could pick up noise, things like that. So I cranked the 8-Track preamp up pretty high to overcome any possible noise and stuff like that. So everything's working. She's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next job, or maybe even take lunch. Who knows? But I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this is my own signature full Delco system conversion. I am the only guy in the world who does it like this. Every other shop is just going to find out where the line level signal is in the 8-Track, tap into it, and not do a whole lot else. When you send your Delco system to me for conversion, the 8-Track gets fully gutted and converted as well as the radio does. So my website is in the description below, and my phone number for paying, repair, or conversion work only, not to look for belts or parts. Nobody sells those at the retail level anymore. My phone number is 928-533-9666. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Chris, for your business all the way from Maryland, and we'll see you guys next time.